Alright, the topic we are going to cover is averages now. Averages, mixtures, alligation. These are the three main topics. And you can expect all these questions in your CAT, CMAT, all the exams. Okay? From, if I'm talking about CAT, you can expect around 1 to 2 questions which are indirectly or directly based on this. If I'm talking about CMAT, there will be around 3 questions. This is one of the most important topics for the female especially. Fine. And this is how we are going to go today. So these are the main topics: averages, mixtures, allegations. Fine. So wherever you doubt, you can stop me anytime, kind of thing. Okay. So let's start with the first topic, average. This topic was first done in your class 5th. Fine. So I'm going to just revise everything what you've done in class 5th. Alright, so you don't need any books for the class, so you don't need to worry about the books. Alright. First of all, find the average of these three numbers: 40, 60, 90. Total divided by 3. Okay, a very basic question just to give you a starter feel. If I give you 10 numbers, again you can find the average. Alright, so the objective of my class is to avoid pen as much as possible. So if I look at these three numbers, if I don't want to add and do all the kind of a total, so can I say one thing? If I look at this thing, what is the middle number? 60. So this side is 40, this side is 90. So average will be around 60. Fine. Second question, is it less than 60 or more than 60? Why? Because 90 is more than 60. If it had been 40, 60, 80, average would have been 60. Because when 90 is there, the average will increase little bit. The answer will be around 62, 63. Chalega? So what I'm trying to say now is avoid pen. As much as possible, if you look at the option, you can, most of the time you can approximate. So that's exactly what I want you to do. I want you to do approximation wherever possible. Fine. So if I give you 10 numbers, 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 20 plus 25 plus 35. 6 numbers. Find the average. Without using pen, without using any calculation. Total करना ही नहीं है, no total. Just मोटा मोटी कितना बनेगा? Total क्या? I don't want you to do the total. What is the subset? What is subset smallest number? Average. Smallest number is 20. Actually, it's 27.5. Let me give you the approximation method. See, all right. First, let's do the normal method. Total sum किया. How much is sum? 170. Divide by 6 is the average. Fine. Now, what I'm trying to say is avoid pen. Let's don't calculate at all. The lowest number is 20. Highest number is 40. So average have to be between them 30. Alright. Now, second part is 30 is my average. Are there more terms above 30 or below 30? If I assume 32 by my average, there are 2 terms above 30, but there are 3 terms below 30. So average is more than 30 or less than 30? Less than 30. So option, if you look at the option, 27.5. Alright, so these are small things which you can start using in your calculation day by day. See, that's my problem. If I'm taking class, I normally talk about the shortcuts as well. Fine, wherever possible. Fine, otherwise, obviously, you know, total nikal ke divide by 6, that's not the reason why I'm coming here to teach you. My objective is wherever I introduce you to the shortcuts so that we can save time as much as possible. Alright, doubt? Fine, very simple question. Alright, so we can do the average of the numbers. The problem starts. So simple average is okay. The problem starts when I say the average weight of the boys is 40 kgs. Average weight of our school girls is 30 kg. Find the average weight of the class. How much? 35. Right, wrong. Question is, if there are 40 boys in the class, if the average weight of the boys is 40, average weight of the girls is 30. Find the average. Exactly. First of all, we don't know the number of boys kitna, girls kitna. How can you find the average? So we have to use a weighted average. Suppose there are 20 boys and 10 girls. So we have to use a weighted average. Basically, if there are more girls, see, let's try to understand. Let me give you the formula first. So weighted average ka formula is nothing but N1 W1, N2 W2, N1 plus N2. where weight W1 and W2 is the weight of two people, and N1 and N2 are the weight number of boys and girls. So first one uska weight, second one uska weight, divide by the total. See, let's not rectify the thing. Let's try to understand what's happening. See, one side the weight is 40, one side the weight is 30. If I say there are equal number of boys and girls, average kya aega? What is the average? 35. Because both of them are equal. If I say number of boys are more, so weighted average will go which side? Towards 40. Right. If the number of girls are more, around 30. So basically your average will vary according to the number of boys and girls, according to the weighted average. So basically jiska weight ज़्यादा, उसकी average ज़्यादा. जिसका weight कम, उसका weight कम. So so all depend on the number of boys and girls. So that's why N1 W1 will give you the weighted average of number of boys, N2 W2 will give you the weight of the number of girls, and divide by the total sum of the number because we're taking the average. Yes, so the N1 W1 is a total weight of boys, N2 W2 weight of girls, divided by N1 plus N2. That's the common sense behind this thing. So let's look at a few questions on weighted average. 40 kg rice was sold at 20 rupees per kg. 10 kg rice is sold at 10 rupee kg. If I mix both of them, find the average average cost of rice. Yeah. So basically 40 kg of rice was sold at 20 rupees. 10 kg of rice was sold at 10 rupees. Find the average price of rice. N1 W1, N2 W2 divided by N1 plus N2. So 40 plus into 20, 800 plus 100 into 100, 100 divided by 40 kg and 10, 50 kg. So total 900 divided by 50. Doubt? Simple, very simple question. Fine. 50% milk in 10 liter quantity is added to 40% milk in 30 kg quantity, 30 liter quantity. Find the average percentage of milk in the remaining jar. So 50% milk is one place, 40% milk is one place. Okay, if I don't want you to solve, first of all, obviously average you can find out, take average weightage you can find. So if I give you the option 25%, 45%, 55%, 65%, if I don't want you to solve, can you tell me what will be the average? First of all, average have to be between these two. There is obviously there are some 40, there are some 50. If you mix both of them, average have to be more than 40 and less than 50. Your answer will lie between these two numbers only. So obviously this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. Whatever, जितनी भी quantity हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Percentage, ना? Even though it's not percentage, even this is a milk. So see, there are some 50 wala, some 40 wala. Fine. If I draw the range wala thing which we did for the last question, this is 40, this is 40, 50. So whatever is the average have to be between them. 40 and 10. That was the answer was 37, 27 point something. जो भी इसका answer आया. 18.5 between them. Fine. Obviously, if you take 1 lakh liter of milk of this 50% milk, then average will be 50 maximum. उससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो सकता ना कभी. ठीक है. So anyway, obviously you can't remove all the options, but at least 2 options you can remove. Fine. That's very, very effective for you people, especially because you got exam, you are coming up. But